Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn what is the meaning of long press for symbol and how to enable it in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface. Okay, and long press for the symbols means if you long press on any letter, there will be symbol suggested, but here it is not suggested because the settings is not enabled yet. Okay, so this is called long press for symbol. Okay, so if you long press on any symbol, any letter, some symbols should appear as a suggestion. Okay, so if you would like to use this language long press for symbol option in your keyboard, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings, and here select keyboard and input method and click on manage keyboards and click on Gboard and click on preferences, and here just find out one option called long press for symbols. Just turn on this button so that you can get hinted symbols while long press on keyboard. Okay, just I long press on this G and see here other symbol is showing. Just if you track and touch on that symbol will be typed here. Okay, so for each letter there will be some hindered symbol here. More symbols are available on long pressing on U letter. Okay, so I typed this. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable long press for symbol in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.